All right, so a great question that people have is, if I do the tummy tuck in the BBL, should I really do the liposuction first in the BBL, or should I do the tummy tuck with lipo and BBL? Because if I do the tummy tuck, I'm limited to 1 liter of fat extraction. If I do lipo, I can get 4 liters. So many people are in that debate. Do I do one or do I do the other? Here's what I say to you. If I do the tummy tuck, because you need it, and I do the liposuction of the waist, the back, I transfer that fat to the buttock, I'm really taking care of a serious problem in the stomach, because I'm making the stomach flatter, I'm getting rid of the flabby skin, I'm lifting the hoochie wanuchi, I'm pulling down the upper skin, I'm creating curves, so I'm getting way more for your money by doing the tummy tuck, lipo, and fat grafting. Now you're right, it does limit me to 1 liter. But that usually allows me to reshape, and I gotta tell you, about 85% of the time, people are really happy and don't have to come back.